What's up, guys? Armored slime. Beautiful, beautiful slime. That's my brother singing. But I made this today. If you guys would like a shout out on my Musical.ly, I will give it to you. And yeah. So if you guys would like to see this twirl, I do, so let's go.